first to copy. So the second part of the video that Android Studio, we are going to develop an Android app. Okay, so in the last time, as you have seen that my quota here, it was limited, as it said that the resources its end, and it's saying to do something like this. Okay, I don't know how to fix that issue, and I'm not gonna use it right now. Okay, I want to show you another way in which we can develop the app. As you know that we are using Google's agent mode. We can also use the ask mode for that purpose. Okay, for example, let's say I have made these things. Okay, now let's run this so we can see what is really happening. Okay, there's another way option in the here. You can see it. If you click here, you can see the preview, but we are not seeing the preview because there's some error in the code. Okay, so let me check. Okay, so we're gonna just come here, copy the code. As you can see here that our app is running. So this is how the design is. I believe there's some problem here and we need to fix it. So the main kit, this one, is a main file. Okay, here you see that there are only these things. Okay, and the age calculator, here is everything. So we are gonna just copy from main activity, just copy all of them, and we are gonna use the ChatGPT. We are gonna use the free version of ChatGPT, and I will tell you that use that one. So I have free version ChatGPT, and I will just write first, check the code. Okay, you can also write that where the code come from. Check the code from Android Studio. Okay, or you can also write the language name, but like that. Okay, and paste the code. Then after comma, write down fix all issues and bugs and improve design, and also I can see preview. Okay, now enter. As you can see that it's gonna put everything. It's saying that missing that composable function. Okay, so it's gonna add it here so we can able to see the preview. So here you see that it's writing all that. Okay, as you can see the composable here is there, so we can see the code here. Now we're gonna copy this, click copy, and we're just gonna paste it here. Okay, we paste and just command S to save. Okay, now you can see here, if I click here, we are saying that age calculator, but it's not the way we wanted. You see, we are seeing the different one than this one. Okay, so let me just, okay, I can only see that. So is there anything wrong that we don't know? Let me use the app. Also you see there's a problem. Okay, app is not working. So let me see another one, age calculator. Here the preview, you can see it. So the first page and second page. Okay, and that's how the design is. But in app we are saying something different. If I open, it is a different. So is it because of something that we don't know? But as you can see here, we have a same problem right now. As you can see, they're same thing. So okay, and that's what we need to fix it. Okay, so this one have a both, this one, this thing. Okay, so I'm not getting what is happening, but I just hope I understand things well. Okay, go here we're getting the two things. So that is the things we are seeing it. So let's fix the things, understand what is the problem. Okay, so we just for right now just avoid it. Okay, and for here we just gonna be like a focus. Okay, as you can see there are two pages and the designs are like that. Okay, if you click here, as you can see where it's there and how the things are, you can change that. You can see yourself, like for 24 we're gonna just set 28. Okay, now command save. and it's gonna reload, and you can see that what changes happened. Okay, I'm not sure what happened, but just put it like this again, and later on you can figure out this thing. After you use for a couple of times, you can figure out how the change happening. So you can change a lot of things. For example, if the colors are here, you can see the colors in the primary. If you change the primary color, all the color gonna change. So like that. So it's not that hard as you think. Okay, so the second page, okay, in a edge calculator, and human edge input, this one. So I don't understand, so I'm gonna just copy all of that. Okay, and I'm going to put it here. I will say that fix all error and improve UI and UX, and I am saying 2 pages in preview. Why? And is it right, or I need to fix it? So I also want to know that what it's all about. Okay, because I don't know, because the first time I'm saying this. Let me quit this one. So it was first time for me to saying the 2 page in just one. That's why I'm doing this. Okay, so as you can see, it's saying that nice for that full file. I review that. Short answer, why you need to use preview? Because you have 2 previews composable: human input preview and human result preview. Android Studio shows each preview unit and that expected to create. If you want one preview visual, remove or comment out of the preview function. Yes, it's normal. Okay, what I changed: fix preview errors, replace lazy vertical with score com, update fixed preview details. So they are saying that they have fixed the problem that it was there. So literally that was not a problem. Okay, so I can just copy this code, and you can read that what changes they made or what the suggestion also there. Okay, just copy this code, and we're going to just command we paste here. As you can see that there are less problem than before. Then command save. Okay, now as you can see that there are few changes happened. Let go. So now changes are happened. Now we're gonna make again our preview. So we're gonna just click again here, and the app gonna run. So here it is the way looking. Okay, now just see here. So it's like a old one. Let's wait for a little bit, because it is not running. It's old view. Okay, now again, as you can see, we are loading it. Now we see the main page. So it asking date of birth. Okay, let me put a 1995. Calculate. You're 30 years old, and you know that that's not what I want. Okay, so there is a problem. I want that the first page should be know my age, but that is not happening. It's not cutting. Click OK. Just calculate again. So 1989. Calculate. So as you can see that there's no option to go to a second or third page, and that is from that main activity. Okay, this is here. So I will just say that I want edge calculator on main page. I think it will understand that. If not, then I have to just do it again. Okay, to make main activity show your human edge calculator input calculating result, when you open that app, replace main kit with this thing. So as you can see, that's writing that. So one thing is clear about it, that if you want to make an app, if you don't have access to this model, agent model, Even then you can able to make good app using ChatGPT or other AI tools. Okay, they also do that good thing, but always remember that when you're starting it, start from one tool. Don't use couple of tools, because in that we get confused, and also AI also get confused, so don't do that. So now I did this, like as you can see here, preview changes gonna happen, and we can see it. Okay, now as we can see here, we are seeing a lot of error. So okay, so I'm gonna say that I'm getting lots of error. So I write that whatever I was getting it. You can also copy all of that and paste it. If you do that, then it will fix your problem really fast. So as you can see, it's writing the code again. So when you're starting, start from from scratch from one AI tool. In that way, it's much easier for you to develop it. But if you develop something beforehand and then developing, then it will little bit difficult for you, because you will understand that AI tool, that what code you have written. And that's why I believe that problem is happening, because those two codes are different. But I hope that they understand, because I already put the codes. Let's see again, we are copying and paste it. That is a drawback. If you don't know the coding, you depend fully on AI tools for everything. And as you can see, that problems has decreased. Now command save. As you can see, like this one, we have our page, but when we calculate, here it happens. Okay, so let's run again. We're gonna see that how the changes will be. So the second and the third page, what happened? It's saying that data class human result any. Okay, that is issue. 108 human age result. So saying that there is some data issue. I'm not sure what is the issue. There's a 3 errors. So we're gonna just okay, I believe I can't copy that. Jump to source. Okay, come here. So as you can see that even using AI tool, you're gonna face a lot of trouble while doing that. But if you write for yourself, it is much easier for you to have a good quality of content and easy to use. And these errors, the problem we are facing, we can fix that. Okay, we are just gonna copy all of that again, or just tell that we are seeing 3 errors or the name of the error. Okay, I'll just say that even right now we are getting error. We could not build APK. So against doing that, use this minimum working code. Because I don't know how to use that Android Studio and the coding, because of that reason I don't really understand what is the problem. Okay, and it's clear about it, that problem in here in this code. So I will tell you that if you're really into making Android apps, learn how to do that, because it's the best option you have. Yeah, AI tool will make your life easier, it tell you a lot of things, but if you depend fully on AI tools, then you're gonna face this kind of problem. It's not I'm saying that you can't fix it. You're gonna fix that. You will find a solution for it, but it will take some time. Okay, I will just write down that problem I'm saying here, age calculator skin. Okay, I am saying problem in age calculator screen. So it's gonna read that, and see, there's a one more thing. I generated this code, and that code had made some changes, and then I written this thing. Okay, I do not tell that before that code was the problem. So right now the code they're getting it might make mistakes or write something else. So always make sure that when you're putting something, writing it, tell beforehand the mistake I made. As you can see here, I did that. Let's see what will happen. But I'm not gonna do that. So I will just copy all that code. Okay, and I'll ask to fix it. Fix this code. Even then, the code are different, because the thing that remember beforehand, that was old code, and so they can make mistakes. So there are a lot of things when we are doing that. So using that agent mode is much better, because it will understand everything and can give you better result. Or you are using AI tool, always remember that start from there. Like from start, you just open it and then write every single thing, then it will be much easier for you. So as you can see, it's Kotlin, and parameters, it's saying that replace the item with material icon, simple and error free. Copy the code and paste it, and change animal character parameters from here. Column, no nav host. Okay, fix this thing. Column, fix. So as you can see that if you do all that, you're gonna fix your column. And after fixing this column, I will make another video. Thank you for watching this video, and bye.